Hi everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the January 2026 Hip Kits. Today I'll create another layout with the beautiful January kits. The last layouts were very colorful. This one I'll go with black and white and I'll add some pink accents. I start with the striped All Fun and Games paper and cut it to the size of 10 by 10 inches. Then I glue it on my layout and add my photo. Now I pick out two chipboard frames and some die cuts that match my color scheme and arrange them around my photo. I also add a butterfly which I fussy cut from the Let It All Go paper. Before I adhere everything, I add some white color splatters. Therefore I use white acrylic paint and a paintbrush. I use liquid acrylic paint, but you can also mix acrylic paint with water. Now I fussy cut a cloud and a butterfly from a pocket life paper and add them to my layout. Then I pierce holes and stitch the butterfly trails. I add my title using the cardstock layered foam alphabet stickers. There is no pink C, so I cut off a bit from a G. Now I fussy cut a small pink butterfly from a pocket life paper and then I choose some floral die cuts. I continue embellishing the layout with some puffy stickers. And I finish with pink Nuvo drops from my stash. Here you can see my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.